welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a DIY pink coat rack. So if you are interested in knowing how to do it, then keep watching. And before we head on with this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do it right now before we head on with this video. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So I bought this wooden coat rack at Target for, I think it was like $14 or something like that. And I bought actually 2 of them, and then I went ahead and purchased Ultra Cover Paint Plus primer. So it's a spray basically, and I chose this pink, which is called Candy Pink, and this one is good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So I just needed it to be good for wood, so the rest I don't really care. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I do it. I'm super excited because I went online and I looked for regular pink coat racks for, you know, for kids or just regular ones, and I couldn't find any that were at a decent price. Like all of them are super expensive. I just was like, this is not worth it. I'd rather just make my own and then pay less, and it's also something more sentimental because I did it myself for my daughter. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in Giselle's room. I think I know the spot where I'm gonna put it. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the final result, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye!